Before you do anything, grab your iPhone, because today we're going to show you 25 insanely useful tips and tricks that most people forget exist or never knew about in the first place. And trust me, once you start using these, your iPhone is going to feel completely different, faster, easier, and way more powerful. Let's jump into it. Number 1, drag and drop across apps. Picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram, you find a hilarious picture you want to send to a friend. Most people screenshot it, then dig through their gallery, but there's a much faster way. Just take a screenshot, tap and hold on it, and without letting it go, swipe up to reach your home screen. Open WhatsApp and drop the screenshot right into the chat. Done. No searching, no extra taps. This same trick works with photos too. Just select multiple images in your gallery, drag them with one finger, swipe up, and drop them into any app. Feels like magic. Hidden back button history. This one is wildly forgotten. Whenever you're deep inside settings, notes, or even the health app, don't tap the back button 100 times. Just press and hold the back button. A hidden mini menu appears showing your entire navigation history. Tap any level to jump straight back. This also works in Safari and Chrome, letting you hop back into previously visited pages instantly. Number 3, tap the status bar to jump to the top. If you've been scrolling for ages, maybe through YouTube comments, Safari articles, Spotify playlists, instead of flicking your thumb like crazy, just tap the top of your screen, right on the status bar. Your iPhone instantly jumps back to the top. It works everywhere, and once you remember it, you'll use it every single day. Number 4, shake to undo. Yes, it still exists. One of the oldest iPhone gestures, and one people forget about the most, is shake to undo. Type something and want to undo? Shake your phone. Tap undo. Edit an image but regret the changes? Shake, undo. Accidentally move an app? Shake, undo. It still works, and honestly, it's extremely convenient. Number 5, 3-finger pinch, copy, and paste. Now, here's a gesture barely anyone remembers. Use 3 fingers and pinch in. That copies. Go to another app and pinch out. That pastes. You can do it with text, photos, screenshots. It works instantly and feels super smooth. It's one of those features Apple never advertises, but once you master it, it saves a ton of time. Number 6, hidden keyboard tricks you need to use. The keyboard has some incredibly useful gestures. Hold the spacebar, your keyboard becomes a trackpad. Tap on the keyboard while holding space, you can precisely select text. Tap twice, selects a word. Tap 3 times, selects the entire paragraph. Hold a letter, hidden accents and characters. Hold the numbers and symbols key and slide. Quickly enter a symbol without switching keyboards. These shortcuts make editing text way faster. Number 7, fix your hand-drawn shapes instantly. If you draw notes or mark up photos, try this. Draw a circle, square, star, anything. Then hold your finger down at the end of the drawing. Your iPhone turns your messy shape into a perfect geometric one. It works on screenshots, notes, mail, anywhere you use markup. Number 8, use your search bar as a quick calculator. Swipe down on your home screen, go to search, type something in like 25 minus 7. You'll get the answer instantly. It's quicker than opening your calculator app, and perfect for fast math. Number 9, move multiple apps at once. Don't drag apps one by one. That takes forever. Instead, hold an app until it wiggles, start dragging, then tap additional apps with another finger. They stack together so you can move the entire group at once. And if you mess up, remember, shake to undo. Number 10, control your iPhone using just your voice. You can literally operate your phone hands-free. Go to Settings, Accessibility Shortcuts, then Voice Control. Now triple press your side button at any time to enable voice control. Open Photos, go Home, scroll up, tap back. It even displays on-screen labels so you can say their names. Perfect when your hands are full. Number 11, use volume up for rapid burst photos. Inside the camera settings, turn on Use volume up for bursts. Now, open the camera, hold volume up. Your iPhone fires burst shots like a pro DSLR. In Photos, open the burst, choose the best frame, and it only saves the one you want. Great for action shots, pets, kids, or anything moving fast. If you're enjoying these forgotten iPhone tricks so far, Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a Tech Bowl breakdown. We drop practical tips like this every week. Now, let's dive into some more hidden features most people have no idea about. Number 12, stop spam calls with this setting. Tired of random calls? Turn this on. Settings, iPhone, silence unknown callers. Your phone will auto-silence numbers that are not in your contacts. They'll still appear in your call log, but they won't interrupt you. A lifesaver. 13. Magical Siri commands. Hold the side button and try these. Lumos turns the flashlight on. Knox turns the flashlight off. Open Spotify. Open Instagram. It's quick, fun, and surprisingly useful. 14. The Measure app. Yes, it's better than you think. Your iPhone has a built-in digital measuring tool. Open Measure, use your camera to measure objects, measure wall height, check room size, use the built-in level to straighten things. Perfect for hanging pictures or installing shelves. 15. Hidden Weather Map. Open the Weather app, tap the map icon. You'll see global wind patterns, temperature map, rainfall maps, storm movement. It's detailed and surprisingly accurate. 16. Get recipes from your photos. Take a photo of your meal, open it, swipe up, tap the lookup icon. Your iPhone analyzes the dish and suggests recipes. So if you eat something delicious at a restaurant, you can recreate it at home. 17. Auto stop music when you fall asleep. In the clock app, go to timer. When timer ends, stop playing. Your iPhone will stop music or videos automatically when the timer runs out. Great for bedtime. 18. Quick timer from a control center. Instead of opening the clock app, hold the timer icon in the control center. Drag your finger to set the timer in seconds. Super fast. 19. Background sounds for focus and sleep. Go to Control Center, hold the ear icon, background sounds. Choose from rain, ocean, stream, white noise, night sounds. Great for studying, relaxing, or falling asleep. 20. Back tap, the feature everyone forgets. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. Set action for double tap, triple tap. You can assign things like screenshot, lock screen, flashlight, control center, mute, and more. A tiny gesture that saves a ton of time. 21. Custom ringtones and vibration patterns. Go to a contact, edit, ringtone. You can assign unique ringtones, unique vibration patterns, or even create your own vibration by tapping a rhythm on your screen. Or even create your own vibration by tapping a rhythm on the screen. Perfect for identifying important callers instantly, even on silent. 22. Full page screenshots in Safari. Take a screenshot in Safari. Tap the preview, choose full page. You capture the entire web page as a scrollable PDF. Great for saving recipes, articles, or guides. 23. Copy text directly from videos. In the Photos app, open a video, pause it, tap and hold on any text in the frame. Your iPhone lets you copy it, share it, look it up. It works with signs, documents, screenshots, with any text. 24. Close 3 apps at once. In the app switcher, instead of swiping up on one app at a time, use 3 fingers and swipe up to close 3 apps simultaneously. It's oddly satisfying. 25. Bonus iOS 18 sneak tricks. Throughout this video, you saw iOS 18 in action, and there are so many more hidden features coming. If you want more guides, deep iPhone breakdowns, and tips that Apple never tells you, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Bowl. We've got a lot more coming, and trust me, you won't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay sharp, Tech Bowl out.